upcyclers out there. Today on Make Your Mark, we are making a super cute apron from an old men's shirt. Now, men's shirts get really gross around the collars, and once that happens, there's not much you can do to save them, but this gives a shirt a second life. And to make this project extra special, I am going to embellish it with my CRICUT Explore Air 2. I'm thinking about saying something like, "Let's make messes," or "Messy guy wearing this apron, I can't decide." Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make an apron.
Cut a few inches below the underarm seam, just in case there is yellowing from deodorant. Americans throw away 14 million tons of clothing every year. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think we could make out of all of that fabric. In ancient Crete, aprons were worn by the fertility goddess, and sacred aprons were worn by Assyrian priests. Egyptian pharaohs wore jewel-encrusted aprons. Pretty fancy. Using a patterned shirt with a stripe or a gingham will help you get the perfect 45-degree angle for your bias binding. I made these Make Your Mark graphics in PicMonkey and then uploaded them into my CRICUT design space. Once you have your graphics, just click Upload, select your graphic, and then Insert Image on the bottom right. Using the arrows on the bottom right of your graphic, you can easily size your image. Next, select Make It on the upper right. It's crucial that you click Mirror and then Continue. Now we're going to select the material, and since I use everyday iron-on quite often, it's in my favorites. Now all you have to do is load the mat and start cutting. The Easy Press 2 is the perfect way to transfer the iron-on vinyl on any surface, and unlike a regular iron, the heat is even on the whole surface of the Easy Press, so you're assured successful results every time. Make sure to let your transfer cool before removing the plastic. Stitch along the pressed fold of the bias binding on the back of the apron along the sides of the bib.
I'm gonna leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm gonna leave a link below to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.